Hello, my name is Dirvender Kumar. I am from Delhi and I have completed my graduation in BTech. One of my friend told me about Evision Technosir and suggested me to join. So I joined Evision in January month and had a great learning experience in Windows administration and networking fundamentals. All the instructors are very supportive and helping in nature. Instructors cover all the topics theoretically as well as practically for better understanding, and they clarify all the concepts in details. Evision team helped me to prepare for a job interview and gave me the guidance that how to crack interview. And I got selected in Tech Mahindra Allyis at a package of 3 LPA. Thank you Shamli ma'am, thank you Anamika ma'am, Sati ma'am, thank you Amit sir, and thank you Ganesh sir. Thank you all of the Evision team for their help, for their guidance, and for their support in this journey. Thank you.